Yeah, major update on your roads here in central Iowa. I-80 has completely closed. It's impassable from just past your West Mixmaster all the way to out west past the Atlantic area. So if you are trying to travel along I-80 right now, you're just simply not going to be able to. So again, trying to get past the West Mix, you're going to get stalled just like these vehicles right now at Grand Prairie Parkway. You can see we do have a crash out there right now. A lot of people walking around. It looks like a pickup truck actually crashed into a semi, and then all of these cars, all of these semis are absolutely backed up. You are not going to be able to continue west along I-80 past the West Mixmaster right now. Now they shut that down, and they do that because I just got off the phone with Sergeant Alex Dinklow. One, they do that so they can get the emergency vehicles out there to address the several crashes we've seen this morning along I-80, and two, so those plows can start to clear I-80 because that's who really needs to get through right now. So I-80 shut down.